Hello, this is Dmitry Bolshakov again, and today I will teach you how to create a formula using our visual constructor. And this formula will count, for example, sum of money. Let's imagine that you have different fields, and user can enter sums of money into these fields, and then you need to count a whole sum. So you can create a field with sum1, select a type, amount of money, and here we type 100 USD, for example. Yeah, okay, push add and insert into algorithm. So this is one field, and then create another field. Select type again, amount of money. Let's type 500 USD and insert into algorithm. Okay, and then we should create a formula. So we will go to expressions. This is expressions. Okay, create, type formula, and let's type like this: sum of money. Okay, add, and here we need to add these fields. So 100 USD amount, add object, and 500 USD amount, add object. So we have here these two objects, and we just here enter our formula. One, this is one argument, and the other argument, plus 2. So this will be sum of these two objects. Okay, and we push save and insert into algorithm. Here we have a formula, and we should add endpoint as always. We have already. Okay, so let's connect and save the algorithm, and then we can test it. Push play. So here we enter 100, and here we can enter 500. Enter. So this is the sum, and we can change, for example, like this, and okay, it counts. So we created a small calculator